Introduction to Machine Learning for Beginners. Welcome to the exciting world of machine learning. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some programming background, this beginner's guide will provide you with a solid foundation to understand the core concepts of machine learning and its applications. Let's get started. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating algorithms and models that enable computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. The central idea is to develop systems that can improve their performance over time by learning from new experiences. Types of machine learning. 1. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on labeled data, where each data point has a corresponding label or target. The goal is for the algorithm to learn a mapping between input features and output labels, allowing it to predict labels for new, unseen data. Common applications include image classification, sentiment analysis, and speech recognition. 2. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data, and the algorithm's objective is to find patterns, structures, or relationships within the data. Clustering, where similar data points are grouped together, and dimensionality reduction, which simplifies the data while preserving essential information, are common tasks in unsupervised learning. 3. Reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, an agent interacts with an environment and learns to take actions to maximize rewards. The agent receives feedback in the form of positive or negative rewards, guiding it to improve its decision-making over time. This type of learning is widely used in robotics, game playing, and autonomous systems. Steps in a typical machine learning project. 1. Data collection. The first step in any machine learning project is to gather relevant data. The quality and size of the dataset significantly impact the model's performance. 2. Data pre-processing. Data often requires cleaning, normalization, and handling missing values to ensure the model can learn effectively from it. 3. Feature engineering. Selecting the right features from the data and transforming them into a suitable format is crucial for model performance. 4. Model selection. Choosing an appropriate machine learning algorithm or model based on the problem type and dataset characteristics is essential. 5. Model training. This involves feeding the data into the selected model and tuning its internal parameters to optimize performance. 6. Model evaluation. Assessing the model's performance on a separate test dataset to understand its accuracy and generalization capabilities. 7. Model deployment. After successful evaluation, the model is deployed in real-world applications to make predictions on new data. Tools and libraries. There are several popular libraries and frameworks that make implementing machine learning models easier for beginners. Some of the commonly used ones include scikit-learn, a user-friendly library for various machine learning tasks in Python. TensorFlow and Keras deep learning libraries with extensive support for neural networks. PyTorch, another deep learning library, known for its flexibility and ease of use. Conclusion. Machine learning has the potential to transform various industries and bring about significant advancements. As you dive deeper into this field, remember that practice and experimentation are key to gaining a strong understanding of the concepts. Explore different datasets, experiment with various algorithms, and continue learning to unlock the full potential of machine learning. Happy learning!